Operation of the filler panel is as follows. We have the power on switch here, and here we see the power light come on. It just takes a few minutes to boot up. Up in the top right here we have the fill cycle time. We want to adjust the flow gate at the rear of the filler to achieve a minimum 2-second fill cycle for good accuracy. Here we have our indicator lights, power on. When the cycle starts, this light goes on briefly. When at the end of the fill cycle, this light goes on, and then this light goes on to release the bag clamp. Again, we have power on. This switch here, in the drop position, it'll fill and automatically drop. If we have it in the hold position, it'll fill and hold the bag on the clamp to check the weight, and also to check the fill cycle time. Stop filling stops the fill cycle and releases the clamp. So here we're powered up. Now if we had some weight on the scale, some buildup, we can hit the 0 button here to zero out any buildup of product. To adjust the target weight, we hit the select button. Here for testing we have it set at 5 kilos, so if we wanted to set it at something different like 6 kilos, 6.00, and OK. Press once, press twice. So enter the value, press OK twice, and then we're back to the main screen. So when we hit the start switch on the filler, we'll see the start fill go on, okay, and then we see an indicator here, filling material 1, so our weight goes up. At the end of the cycle, we'll see briefly the fill stop goes on and the clamp goes on, and then that the bag is completed. Now if we want to hold the bag on the clamp, we hit the hold. Again, if we hit the start, we see that go on briefly. Okay, we see the stop go on. We see our fill cycle time here, 3.2 seconds. You see the indicator here, it's waiting for the dump or release. As soon as we flip this switch over to hold, it will release the clamp and the bag is complete. As suggested here, in cold weather, leave the power on to keep the panel warm.